So the plan today is to change the horn from the current to something a little more aggressive. I'll try to document as I go through this. Here's the ones I'll be replacing them with. They're a Hella brand, and I've put them on another car I had and I really like them, so let's see what we can do with them on the i3. So the horn resides up here in the front area. First thing I'll be doing is taking this tank out of the way. The horn resides down below. Once I get that out, I'll show you what it looks like. Since there's only 6 bolts holding in the actual frunk, I went ahead and moved that. Gives me a little more room. Then I can leave all the hoses attached to this. Just leave it off to the side here. Right there's the horn that we'll be replacing. Once you pull the stock horn out, this is all you're working with. So what I'm going to do is do some test fitting and then try to go ahead and use the original plug as much as I can and guide along the way. So I've done a few test fittings and this seems to be the best way to do it. So I've gone ahead and tightened them up. The trick is manipulating this giant horn into that small space, because here's the previous horn for comparison, but we'll see if we can get it in there. So here's one of the little wiring harnesses that I built. I'll make another one for the negative side, but you can see I've got the 2 female connectors and the 1 male bullet connector here so that I can utilize the factory wiring connector. So there are both wiring harnesses put on. Here's the original plug. I'll go ahead and plug those in and then I'll be able to chain the wiring harness. Okay, so I was able to go ahead and get them in using the factory mounting location and utilizing the stock plug. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Much better. Now I'll just need to wrap it up, clean everything back up, and we're good to go. Happy honking.